Which part of the plant takes in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis? Answer B. Stomata. Which organ in the human body produces urea? Answer B. Liver. What is the study of tissues called? Answer B. Histology. Which part of the human brain controls respiration? Answer B. Medulla oblongata. Which vitamin helps in absorption of calcium? Answer B. Vitamin D. Which pigment gives red color to tomatoes? Answer B. Lycopene. Which animal is known as the flying mammal? Answer A. Bat. The process by which plants make their own food is called. Answer C. Photosynthesis. The blood vessel that carries blood from heart to body is. Answer C. Aorta. Which hormone regulates blood sugar level? Answer B. Insulin. Which animal lays eggs but is a mammal? Answer C. Platypus. Which part of the ear helps in maintaining balance? Answer C. Semicircular canals. The structural and functional unit of the nervous system is. Answer A. Neuron. Which process in plants is similar to sweating in humans? Answer A. Transpiration. Which mineral is essential for formation of hemoglobin? Answer B. Iron. The largest part of the human digestive system is. Answer B. Small intestine. Which of the following diseases is caused by a virus? Answer C. Influenza. The bones of the skull are joined together by. Answer C. Sutures. Which part of the human body contains the smallest bone? Answer A. Ear. The hormone secreted by the thyroid gland is. Answer B. Thyroxine. Which vitamin is most sensitive to heat? Answer C. Vitamin C. Which part of the plant converts light energy into chemical energy? Answer A. Leaf. Which organ helps in removing carbon dioxide from the blood? Answer B. Lungs. Which gas is produced during photosynthesis? Answer C. Oxygen. Which scientist discovered penicillin? Answer B. Alexander Fleming.